We are back again. Hello, guys. We are back again. So, happy Sunday and also happy new month. So, let's jump into the reason for this video. My forecast on Euro USD for this week. So, first of all map out our below here is okay. Let me remap it. Let me start fresh. So here now, here is our sell side liquidity. Sell side liquidity, and then here is our buy side liquidity. So as you can see now, the buy side liquidity have been taken. Then if you watch closely, there's no fair value gaps during this downward push. So but there's another block formed. The other block here is this candlestick here that caused after this black candlestick, after this blue one, this momentum candlestick, which caused a market structure shift. Let's identify a market structure shift. So here, market structure shift. So this zone is a market structure shift. So let me map it out very. I'm a bad drawer. No, I'm not an engineer. So let's map out our order block. Here is our order block. This candle now because this upward movement. So our order block. So I'm talking about, okay, this analysis is based on only on the technical side, but so we're expecting price to move up to here, then come down here, then this zone, let me map it out. Okay, let me draw a finish, then back to our sell side liquidity. So here should be our potential fair value gap should exist. No, wait. I should push down. Okay, our potential fair value gap should exist around this zone. So I'm not all the things I'm saying here is based on my own idea. I'm not a financial advisor. So in case you missed the first entry here, which is this order block here, if you miss the entry, and your stop loss should be above this high, then your take profit should be here. This is the 1:4 risk to reward ratio. In case you miss this FS entry, you should wait for a fair value gap to form around this zone before taking another short entry here, around here. Then our stop loss should be above this order block, then take profit here, this sell side liquidity. So this is a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. So click on the link on my bio to purchase any perpetual firm account.